To je blbej. Ale je pěkný.
Tak Goťáku, tak říkej něco anglicky, když jsi chtěl.
Tak se mě na něco ptej. Hraj si na Simona Brad Pitta.
Na koho?
Neznáš?
Ne.
Jo, to týpka z Evropy 2, co lidi z Česka zkouší, jestli umějí anglicky.
Fajné. Tak třeba... Do you speak English?
No, I don't.
So, where are you from?
I am from Starahut in Czech Republic.
Where were you in the last holiday?
I am in the home and
Špatně, kamaráde.
at the home. Ne.
Špatně.
Co?
Nemůžeš říct, že jsem doma, vole, když se tě ptám, kde jsi byl opravdu jinak.
I was
Děkuju!
the home. Nemám rád angličtinu.
A ještě k tomu navíc I was at home.
Já vím, že je tam přece.
Proč jsi řekl in, vole?
Ale protože... No... Proto.
Jasně. And so, do you have any pet?
Pet?
Pet.
Pet?
Pet.
Pet?
Pet.
I don't have any pet. Well, no, I have one pet, but it's not mine. No, yes, nah. Yeah, no.
What?
I don't have pet.
Okay. Do you have any grandma or grandpa?
Yes, I have two grandma and two dad. Really.
And so, where were you born?
I born in Prague. I was born in Prague.
Thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
What did you do last week?
I not remember.
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
I don't remember it.
I don't remember it.
Uh,
Jsi spokojený?
no. And so,
Ne, nemučte mě, prosím.
do you like Skype?
Yes, I like.
Why?
It's good for conversation
With friends?
and no, and yeah, that's all.
Okay. Do you like your computer?
Yes, I love it.
I think it isn't it you love very Botakula.
Yes, this is this. Kurva. Yes. Yes, tu. Takhle to řeknu jednoduše, že. No. Dobrý, jo? Nemusíš se bagovat. Hele, domluvíme se takhle. Jo, mluv anglicky.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fine. And
So
so
bad.
that will be all of this video. Thanks for watching and bye.
What? What?
Bye.